Redmi K30 Ultra Review. 6.67 inches AMOLED display. 120Hz refresh rate. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. OS Android 10, MIUI 12. Chipset MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus, 7 nanometers. CPU octa-core, 4x 2.6 GHz Cortex-A77 and 4x 2.0 GHz Cortex-A55. GPU Mali G77MC9. Card slot no. Memory management 128GB 6GB RAM, 128GB 8GB RAM, 256GB 8GB RAM, 512GB 8GB RAM. Main camera 64MP f1.9, 26mm wide. Second camera ultra-wide, 13MP f2.4. Third camera telephoto macro 5MP f2.2. Fourth camera depth sensor 2MP f2.4. Features dual LED dual tone flash, HDR panorama. Video 4K 30fps 1080p 30, 60/120ths, 240/960ths fps, gyro eyes. Selfie camera single motorized pop-up 20MP wide. Selfie camera video quality 1080p 30fps, 720p 120fps, 4500 mAh battery. Non-removable. Charging speed 33 watts, 100% in 58 minutes advertised. Quick charge 4+. Power delivery. Thank you for watching this video.